Let's go. Hey. I'm gonna put a bay window in a bus, yo. I don't know, that's the best one I got.
Hey, VW Lifers, we are rolling over to Matt Martin's today to work on JESCO the bus. And we're in Ziggy the bus. Oh, look what they doing in front of Martin's house there. Oh boy, there's all kinds of fun stuff going on over there.
He's getting his sewage pumped.
Oh, nice.
That's a crappy situation.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna smell lovely. Good Lord. There's JESCO! Getting some windows! Look at that. This is what we're doing today. Looks good. What'd you paint that with? Is that
It's
that Dove Bright?
Yeah,
oh, that's
West rattle can. It's caustic smelling too. It is.
Oh, that's real paint.
Yeah.
So that was the Wolfsburg.
Yeah, this one right here.
Pearl white or lotus white? Pearl, right?
Pearl, isn't it?
Yep, pastel white.
Pastel white.
L90D. Yeah.
And it lays pretty good. I mean.
Oh, that's some good stuff.
Yeah. Better be for what it costs.
Yeah. Don, that's a Wolfsburg West special there. Oh, that looks really good though, Martin. So y'all, this was just all rotted out.
Yeah, this from here to here was all replaced. This is all new. This
you had to put this in?
The rails.
Those things too?
Yeah. They were completely rotted off.
Where'd you get those from? What, Parts Bus?
Like CIP maybe has them. The company out of Holland makes them. But I had to do both sides. Yeah, see, new rail here, and this one's from here.
That's
here.
all new.
Yeah, it's not the best welding, but
no, it looks good.
It's good enough.
Wow, when'd you paint that?
This was like over the first part of the week, and that I put another coat on yesterday.
Yeah, it's good. So it's nice and tacked up good.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Woo! And then he's been working on, is this the, which one is this? Oh, that's
the slider.
That's the slider.
I just wanted to put paint on it to get out of the garage, but I still got a lot. After I painted, you can see all the...
So that's where you cut out and put a patch in, right?
Yeah, when you see it in the sun, it's all like dipped here, really bad. But this was all crushed in.
Oh yeah, it was all bad.
So I'm just gonna go back and fill it again. So there's all those little rust spots.
Is that?
That's metal shavings.
Oh,
that's sat and rusted.
No, is it really?
Yeah, so I'm having to like CLR it all out. But the problem is it's in here too. So I gotta like, after the window's in, I gotta CLR all in here.
So, so when you were doing work, the shavings...
It just sat in there and then it got wet.
Oh, the instant rust.
Yeah, but it's just surface.
It's just, it's not, yeah. It's
so like all this, like this was, so this was all this.
Right.
And then I basically...
Did you just clean that? CLR'd it?
CLR, and then this has some paint on it. I wanted to put the door back on today, but then I was looking through all my stuff. I still gotta finish this latch. I gotta come sandblast it. I didn't get the seals for it. Okay. But I have the seals for the rest of the slider. But I don't think I'm gonna replace these yet.
Yeah, you can see too.
Not the best. It ran like crazy.
So is that the
what
is that?
415.
415 it?
Yeah. So it dripped like crazy because it's so fluid, you know.
Yeah.
But I'll just grind the bottom of it off.
Yeah. You just coated it nice in there. That's good.
I just didn't coat.
No. Where the bearing rolls.
Yeah, I didn't do that. It's just the back side and then the bottom. I did that the other night at like 10 o'clock at night.
You're out here slapping.
Getting the second coat on.
Get that stuff's permanent, dude.
And then I was cleaning front floors. It's gonna be a...
Ooh, look at here.
It's gonna be a task to do front floors. Because it's like...
Because there's that cross member going across.
Cross member's here.
Yeah.
It's rusted on top of the cross member.
Yeah.
That, I was wire wheeling it or brushing it today. That's got all
oh, look at where your...
pedal is.
Yeah, that's...
And then I gotta do over there and up the wall. It's gonna be a bit...
This doesn't look as bad as Gilbert's, though.
It still does not much work.
Yeah, because you got to see I
got to build that lip.
Yeah, because this
I have the brakes.
This is part of the dog leg.
Yeah, that's not a big deal.
There, and then that, yeah.
But I'm gonna cut this all up for all of it, I think.
Oh yeah,
There's
yeah.
In there.
Because look, it's solid as a rock.
Yeah, I just don't know where to. I was thinking of cutting it here so I don't have to deal with this.
That's what I would do. I would go across.
Come in here like choop choop choop.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Yeah.
And then I don't know about this because I don't really want to, because it's not in this one. Because the new floors don't have the right-hand drive provision. But I could hammer this probably out and flatten it, you know, and just come right down here.
That's what that is, huh?
Yeah, because look, here's the...
It sure is. It's stamped.
Here's the... So that one, look, it's still stamped.
I'll be darned. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Right-hand drive.
Huh. And then how many more holes will show up after I start wire wheeling it?
Well, yeah, I'll start Swiss cheesing pretty quickly after that. So this is, do you think, I mean, from a structural standpoint, you can do that later on, right?
Okay.
Is that kind of the plan?
Yeah, because that panel comes up to here. This panel comes up to here.
So you just cut that hole.
I'm gonna cut the whole front off.
Is the inner valence too, right?
All of it. Yeah. So I'll just build it.
And then what are we gonna do about this? What's I mean,
I have that.
so do you have the whole?
I have the one that comes to here.
Okay.
So,
with the lip and everything.
Yeah. And I think everybody says to go.
Oh yeah, I would go around those. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see how far you have to cut back.
Yeah, look at that. It's totally.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, look.
That's why this is so bad, though.
Because it lets water in.
Drops right down.
Yeah, all that rust is
That's
sitting
exactly
on
it. It just goes down in there.
And it looked like this when I first took the bumper off. And I was like, oh, let me.
You just pick it
pushed it
with a pick or something?
I just pushed on it and it just started like, because it's rusted like your hand here. And it's feeling, my fingers are this high up and it's that rusted. So I think it's rotten in here.
But you know the inner valence looks pretty good.
Well, there's a lot of them.
Well, it still has a pedal pan on it.
Yeah.
No, this inner valence is solid.
Yeah, you just
The
have to
dog legs are good.
once the front comes off of it. The problem part is this part too back here. See
Yeah.
how bad that's gonna be.
But where
it's
the
just-
bumper mounts is solid.
Yeah. It's just the windshield let it rot.
Yep. It just lets water and dust and stuff gets down in there, and then
They should have had
a drain
massive
hole.
drain holes in
That's
there.
all it would take. They would never had that problem.
Yeah. What we're doing today is instead of putting a window back in here, we talked about in an earlier video. Something a little different.
What is it?
It's a gargantuan chunk of aluminum.
Aluminium for our friends over in the UK.
Yeah. And it's gonna get all kind of stuff mounted to it.
Is it
Probably weighs about 7 pounds.
So we got a seal that's a ventless seal that technically goes on the other side, but it can go either side.
That's the key there. Yep.
And then all we're looking for is is that our joint number? No, that's the sticker.
Where's your
And
seam?
ventless seal because it doesn't have a vent window. Is that
Here it
what
is.
that means? Like,
Yes. Normally on this window anyway, there's no
vent window.
vent window because it's the camper side. So
But they put vent windows, but a lot of times the vent windows for the back passenger.
yeah.
But a camper version didn't have a vent
No,
window.
campers and everything else did. That's why they're still
Like that 70.
usually they're notched here.
Yeah, they're notched for that little vent
Yeah,
window
for the
thing to
same.
go
It
in,
could
which
either
rots
side.
out. All right, so there's the
So
seam.
where do you want the seam now? At the top?
Top. Oh yeah, seam at the top.
Okay.
Always, because if it splits, yeah. I was gonna say.
your beetle.
The beetle.
Oh, so they're helping you.
Yeah. I was like, I just did this. Okay. You don't ever want a silicone yet, because then this would never stick.
Oh, I get you.
Does that make sense?
It makes it too slippery.
Yeah. Some people get all anxious and start sticking silicone on there. You do it now, it won't stick to your...
Could you use baby powder now?
I wouldn't, no. I would use nothing. You want it dry, this dry. It's gonna hold in there nice. It looks good. Blacked out like that.
Yeah, I got the axe already. I got that. I just gotta get the shovel.
Scratch that. Sorry, Martin.
Nothing. Oh,
Mount it like that.
I tried cleaning it and made it worse.
It's just the paint. See,
Oh, Martin, that's gonna
I'm
look
gonna shovel it.
sweet.
that would be cool.
Where'd you get that
Is that
axe?
legal?
I don't know.
That
Did you have that axe before you had the idea for the window?
No.
That seems safe, having an axe on the side of your bus. Oh, well, wait.
I got a saw.
You don't have an axe on the side of your bus?
No, I work at a school.
Yeah, I get that today.
Dude, of all the specialty tools, I think it's the one you use the most.
Oh, well, for a long time, I was using a piece of wood. Accelerator cable.
Sleeve.
Yeah. What do you call that?
Sleeve.
Sleeve or whatever, yeah.
Channel.
Channel or tube or that goes through the...
We'll get that corner.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Let's see if we can push it. You think the bottom's easier to lift first?
Yeah, we'll do the top because gravity will do its job.
You gotta remember that.
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, yeah, push in at the top, dead center. Oh, there you go. Keep pushing. That's great. Yep, yep. Okay, almost to the corner.
What's that?
Almost to the corner. Okay, I'm going the other way from the center. Okay, going towards, there you go, keep going. I'm in the curve now. Okay, going down.
On the rear?
Okay, I'm gonna pull down at the front. So what we're running into, you can see, nice tight seal across the top, and then 3/4 down. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. I'm at the corner now.
Is it pulling though?
It needs to come up. It needs to come in. Uh-oh, hold on.
Also too, did I get it close?
I got it.
Right here, and then
Yeah. I just don't want to poke a hole in it.
Yeah, there it is.
Go. All right, almost. We get to the string, we're good.
Yep. Take your time.
Yeah. If you go pull.
There it is.
Almost. Oh shoot.
Here, let me go behind the string, Dad. Go behind the string. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like no, the other way. Come, there you go.
And because soon as probably we'll pull it out and grind the bottom of the fucking window.
No,
we're getting
the seal came off.
Oh, did it?
There. You
It's
need to go in front of the string. There
Yeah.
you go.
Hey, hold on.
I don't think we have to take the seal off the top.
Take our string back out. The aluminum is just a smidge, maybe 1/16 or 1/8, not much. So we're just gonna take the seal off the bottom whoosh, and do a quick belt grind on that. Nothing too serious. And then we'll be back in business. That's the plan. So we're gonna try taking off a 16.
Grab your handles.
Second verse, same as the first.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, golly, the bottom's in.
Ooh, there it is. Not a...
Oh, wow.
Just Campers makes it.
Oh.
So this came from Bus Depot.
So this is a slider.
Yeah.
This is like what we put in Brett's.
Yeah, but brand new.
This is what, we put this in pudding. You see this? A slider.
Nice.
Wow. So we're not putting glass in, we're doing a slider.
Yeah.
Look, Guru glass. Wow.
So this is a totally
It's a different setup.
different type of seal. So we gotta figure out how to do this.
Aha. Put in some glass, they said. You know what, AJ? I haven't seen any glass yet. I said aluminum
No,
and some
I said windows.
windows. Come here and help me put in some glass.
This way, right?
Oh.
Mmm.
This is Vanagon style. Whatever, nothing goes wrong when you work on a Vanagon. And just like that, magic. Ew. Well, kind of magic. So, it's in. Looks good on this side here. A couple of things we've figured out on the So you're dealing with a couple of, we got different factors. We got 3 different factors going on there. One, we got a non-stock window, the Just Campers window, which, you know, I mean, they're on target with it, but you're not putting in the exact same piece of glass as there. So that's one. Two, we've done some, Martin's done some fabricating on that frame, so that could tweak things over a little bit too. And then 3, when we're putting in that seal for the Just Campers window, that seal, I think we needed a smaller piece of string. It seemed like the string might have been binding in there a little bit. But it's in, got a couple little tiny little tears, you know, 1/8-inch tears. You know, it's a little different.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I gotta fix that.
Yeah, you might have to fix that.
And that's gotta fix that.
It looks pretty good.
That went good.
Oh my God, that looks
It's gonna
good.
be something else when we get this steel in there, though.
Yeah,
We'll see.
that little piece of trim, that
Yeah.
plastic piece. Yeah, because you got to like put that in there and jam it down in there.
Yeah.
JESCO.
Yeah. Look,
Ta-da!
it's getting dried out.
Y'all, you don't understand, I mean, the work that Martin's done in fabricating those new channels. So that's a big accomplishment. Getting glass in, it's okay. Jake's taking the okay sticker off. But anyway, hey, you guys have been telling us you want us to do some work on a Volkswagen. So guess what? We worked on a Volkswagen. We did work on JESCO today. So hope you guys had some fun with this. It was, man, this went by so smooth.
Yeah. Yeah. Effortlessly.
Jake's,
But it didn't take that long.
that wasn't too bad.
2 hours and 40 minutes.
Yeah,
2 and 30 minutes.
just
But
did-
we also took them off and put them back on, and we ground the window out.
Yeah, we had a grind window, so that wasn't too bad. Yeah, next time when Martin says, hey, I'm gonna come over and do some windows, I want to be more specific.
Yeah.
I thought it was just 2 pieces of glass.
What
Martin,
was if I would have invited you over to put in a vent?
I would have ran.
Because it would have been like 4 more hours.
Yeah, I know. I would like, first you can find one all rusty. So anyway, we want to say, make sure you check us out on All Metric Garage because you can get some swag. Look at that. That's some nice stuff right there that Jake's wearing. And
I got Slaughterhouse.
Martin's repping the Slaughterhouse, and I'm like, this shirt's older than dirt. Anyway, thank you guys for joining us today here on the VW Life. We appreciate you guys very much. Make sure you tell your aunts and tell your uncles and tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about. Get out and work on your Volkswagens on a beautiful day here in November.
Mad Martin, the beard of wonder right here.
Those are like when he's cooking meth.
Like a gluten